Hydrate. How are you doing? Big fan. Thank you, thank you. Glad you could make it. Glad you could make it. Really? Oh, damn. All right. Well, wakey wakey. Get up on it. I've been awake for a while, but I had household chores to do today. Yeah. Good nap is always nice. I'm assuming... Wait, are you going to work? Did you just come back from work? How is that going? That's fair. Perfectly fair. I would do the same, so that's perfectly fine. Eesh. That sucks. Yeah. That just isn't very nice. Oh, I can delete this too. It's not very exciting right now because I'm just bookkeeping on these files, but eventually I'll... Ah, okay, here we go. I think that's it. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so I think everything's in. Where is it? Here it is. All this stuff, so we're good. We're good to go. Okay, let's check. So now I can take this off. And take this off too. And that shouldn't be a problem anymore. Hopefully. Okay, this is all good. Okay, now that we've done this, I'm just going to start on other stuff. Like, for example, our settlement. Because that needs to happen at some point. I'm gonna take this all off for now. We don't need any of this right now. I'm actually gonna pin this because like I'm always coming back to this. So that should be okay. Let's go to our settlement base. I don't know why I called this base. It really should be something else, but eventually I'll change it. Eventually being the keyword here. Okay. Don't need this. What is this init object thing? What is this? Ah, okay. So here comes the fun part. I'm actually gonna go here. We're gonna create a base for us. So we're gonna add a tile map. Actually, I want this to go before the UI. Like, I eventually I'll delete all of those, but yeah, for now they're there doing stuff. So this is gonna be location, I guess. I can just call this location. Because this is where... Oh yeah, I can't do that just yet, but let's just do this settlement. And then our base. And then we will have camp as well. Bye! Hope you have a nice work. I know that sounds horrible to say. Yeah. See you later. Thank you for stopping by. Okay. Now we are going to fill this up with just some stuff. I guess that's the word for it. We're just gonna fill this up with stuff, just so we know, like, we're on different places. Okay, so let's load up our tile set. Oh crap, which one is it? I'm assuming it's this one. I really should rename this. Or maybe not. Wait a minute. I can check. I can check during the loading. Yeah, because I populate this. Oh no, it's not exactly here. It's in the world instance, right? Where is it? Here it is. Ah, it's tile set basic. So what is this doing here? I don't know. We're gonna just keep it like that for now. Okay. So we'll just yeah, we'll just add the tile set basic to this. I believe these are all the same, so let's just do this. Hopefully, does it change in all of them? It does. Nice. Okay. And now we're just gonna like do very simple stuff on this. Just like really basic thing. Yeah, eventually this will be, that through a whole thing, but right now it doesn't need to be that complicated. We're actually gonna just turn this UI off so I can just draw something here. Okay, so let's go to the tile map and start painting stuff. I'm just gonna paint some really simple stuff to start with. So this is the base. So that's our home. So we're just gonna build like a very small-ish castle. Just like a thing to Oh, okay. No, I want this to be random. Yeah, here it is. There we go. Okay. Just a very simple thing, just so we can build upon this. Yeah, we're just gonna... Or we'll actually just do this. Like so. Ah, okay, it's this way. That. keep forgetting this is... Alrighty then. And yeah. Oh, we'll actually need like a little height here. It's off. This is like really rough, but that's perfectly fine. We just need something to start with. The rest is just really not needed right now. We can make a huge door like that. We can't actually make a huge door, like it's not big enough, but we'll just adapt as we go. It's fine. This is just placeholder stuff anyway, so it's not like super important to get right. It's just something that we can work with. There, that's our base. That's good enough for me. Just keep the doors here. There you go. See? Our base. It's lovely. It's great. We're gonna put some people up here just because I feel like it. Just like a few people hanging around. And 2 guards here at the entrance. Yeah, we're just gonna keep it like that. Two people here. That's our base. Take that off. A settlement. So a settlement, just a thing. So I'll just... Yeah, okay. I don't want this to be random anymore. We're just gonna plant a few houses here just to symbolize that it's a thing. Oh, I actually picked the wrong thing. That's okay. Here we go. So that's our settlement. We're just gonna put a few people here. Just so we know what the deal is. Old lady by the store. And this guy. I don't even know what that guy is, but he looks cute. So we're just gonna put him there. And finally, a camp. So a campsite. Campsites are a little trickier, but we'll just manage. Is there no way to make a perfect square? I don't think there is, but that's okay. There. Square. And we'll just make a small patch of dirt in the middle. There you go. And that's our camp. There is no campfire on this tile set from what I've seen. That's okay. We can always just make one later. Okay, so now that all 3 are done, actually going to, yeah, we're just going to add this on code and be done with it. Okay. So instead of init objects, we're gonna get rid of this and just put the code directly on here, because like, yeah. Okay, that's good. And we can just get this out of here. I'm assuming this is a tile map thing. Yeah, it's a tile map, so we'll just tile map this. So a base tile map, yeah. But just actually, you know what? Just a new tile map. Be done with it. Okay. So this is game manager dot get node tile map, and we're just gonna get this name. Copy node path, paste it here. Oh, it's okay. And it does exist, so this is gonna get commented because we don't need this at all, so it's fine. As for this, oh. Oh, is it like this? It is like that, okay, yeah, right. So no definition for set active, yes, because it's not supposed to. So visible, I'm just gonna make it false. Okay, so let's uncomment this one by one and see what we're dealing with. Because like some of this stuff isn't even on here yet, so. Yeah, we're not gonna deal with this right now, but we are going to deal with this. So log.add, because that's what we were doing last time, so keep that up. Yeah. This setup actions, what does it do? Okay, so we can keep this. This is gonna be UI manager, actions panel. Do I have a thing for? Okay, let me just check if I'm doing this correctly, cause like. Is it that? Let me check. Yes. I renamed it on the transition, but it should be exactly the same. So this. I'm gonna keep it here. Add action. Yes. Okay, so this I have to, where is this? Here it is. Just gonna do that. Yeah, the resources needs to get done, so I'll take that back later. This is just a placeholder, but it can stay for now. Okay. Oh, hold on. I think I'm doing this. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Give me a sec. Right, okay. That makes sense. Okay. So we're not gonna keep that, but we are. It's like we. I don't know exactly where that's going to stay, but for now, this will do. Yeah, we can keep it like that. But for now, we're going to comment these because, like, I don't want to deal with that. That's supposed to be for later. So let's reintroduce this. We need to reintroduce this. Yep. Resources. Okay, so hopefully that doesn't. Hopefully that doesn't break everything. Hopefully. This I still have to do. But that's okay. So we're just going to ignore this for now. We'll fix it later. And then we got leave. Commented. And then update actions. What does this do? Ah, here we go. Okay. Okay. We're slowly getting there. Eventually this will work. That's the fun part. Okay. Yeah, I really need to implement this. For now, we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, we're gonna need this as well. Tile map, visible, opposite to false. Game manager, lock dot add. Okay. Let's see if this works first, and then we'll keep on iterating. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Oh. Okay, yeah. There is something missing, which I totally forgot. That's okay. We can just go get it real quick. Hopefully this doesn't bring me more trouble. That would be bad. Ah, okay. But this I can deal with. All right, so let's just download this. Okay. Let me just get this up here, and then we can go back our merry way. Okay. All right. You can stop doing that. Okay. All right. Here we go. Add-ons, we're gonna need a new one. Okay. We're actually going to just pick the name from this. Okay. We can just paste that here. And we're actually going to change a few of these names as well while we're at it. Okay, good. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna just put everything up on here. And then we're gonna edit this extensively. Like there's a lot of stuff here that shouldn't even be here. This is stuff from Unity, the Unity days that we don't need anymore. We're gonna get rid of the metas too. Okay, just gonna rename these bits. And I think we're good. Just gonna need to get rid of all these meta files. Okay, looks good. All right. That, we don't need that. Okay. Okay, we are good, I think. Let me just go to Godot, see if there's any other trouble. That's okay. I know that bank is never used. That's fine. Okay, let's just see if this works. We're gonna go to our base. So our base is this one. It's the different house. So let's just go there. Did something happen? Oh yeah, it did. I totally forgot to get the UI back up again. I need that UI to be up, otherwise I can't interact with the game. That would be bad. Alright, let's go. Oh, there's a woman this time. Nice. Very nice. Let's just continue, because nothing happens if we make camp anyway. Making camp is still not a thing. So we're just gonna keep going, and now we want to visit. Is it up? Let me check remotes. Oh, the base is up, but I'm guessing this is on top. I think that's probably on top. What's over there? Oh yeah, I should have put this in the middle. Now that I think about it. That's okay. That's okay. We can fix this. We can definitely fix this, but it has to be here. Okay. Get the way out. Also, yeah, we need to deactivate that other thing. Otherwise, this is not gonna go very smoothly. Can I move these tiles? Can I move this? Would be nice if I could. Let me check. Can I just select these and move them over here? Yay! Nice, okay. We're gonna do that for all of them. Because, yeah, I completely forgot that this was a thing. And actually, while we're here, move those over one, because then it wouldn't be symmetric, and that would just kill me. Okay, I think that's it. Let's check it out. I still have one thing left to do though. I need to go to the code. Oh no, actually. Let's just... Can I make the tile map? What does move child do? Ah, okay, so that is probably... Let's move the child, our tile map. Now, if two index is negative, the index will be counted from the end. So if I make -1, that should put it on top, right? I guess that's it. All right, let's see if this is... Oh, I should... Oops. No, stop. All right, we can do this. It's okay. Okay, we are. Oh, I disabled the UI again. I wish there was a way to, you know, make it not visible on the viewport. There probably is a way to do that. How do I do that? I like to make it, you know, not visible to the viewport, but visible in the game. I'll have to check that out later. See how that works. Okay, let's see how the remote is looking. I haven't gotten in yet, so that shouldn't be a problem. But let's try. See what happens. I really should find a seed where the house is closest. Or closer, at least. But that's okay. This isn't that bad. Okay. Visit. Alright, there we go. We deposit our coins, which right now is 0 because we haven't implemented that yet. And then we leave. And then we enter again. And we leave. All right. Let's make the same for the other ones, and then we'll implement the other missing features and all that other stuff. All right, we'll re-implement, I mean, this other stuff later. That's okay. That is perfectly fine. All right, we're gonna just do the same for camp. There's a bunch of stuff here that we need to, yeah, I'm not gonna activate everything right now because like camp was like the thing that had the most things going for it. So camp is probably not gonna be made right now, and I'm not gonna touch it right now. So let's just go to the trading post. Trading post is a bit easier to manage. Yeah, there we go. So let's just do the same here. Yeah, here we go. This is gonna be a tile map. Make it read only, I guess. No. And this is a good out thing, so just put good out there. This is gonna be useless in a bit, but just keeping. Let's just name the tile map. And we're actually gonna replace, otherwise he won't. Yeah. Trading post, is that what we named it? Settlement. Okay, let's just alright, we're gonna rename this one. I remember why I did it like that, because like there can be settlements that are trading posts, but there are also trading posts that are not settlements, so we'll just go with that. We're just gonna comment this because no need for that. Get child, tile map. And that's gonna be trading post. What's the problem? Cannot convert from string to int. Oh, that's not get child, it's get node. I won't. Let's get node. Right. Init UI. What is this? Oh, it doesn't have anything. All right. Then just let's delete this for now because I don't want clutter. I want to eliminate our clutter if we can avoid it. Visible. Eventually, what I want to do is like make this like generated as you enter it for the first time, and then you'll only need like one tile map instead of the 3 that we have here, 1 for each thing. I'm just doing this while I don't generate these things. Okay, so that's good. Let's go on enter. I'm actually just going to uncomment the basic stuff because I think most of this will be... Okay, let's see, timer. Yeah, this I need to get it visible. So visibility is going to be true. And we're actually going to do the same here. We're gonna bring it to the top so it can be visible on top of the world map. Okay, update buttons, which doesn't have anything, but I do have the same. Oh, it's set of actions. So yeah, that's what I'll do. Oh, it's right here. Then what the hell is update buttons doing here? What is this? Ah, I think, yeah, okay. Update actions, right. It's not even buttons, this should be like actions. Okay. Place all of them, but this shouldn't even be here. Why would this even be here? The buttons haven't even been created. We're gonna set up our actions, which is down here. And we're gonna update them, that's fine. Now, actions panel, deactivate all actions, because this resets everything. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. So now we need these 2 buttons here. Okay, UI manager, actions panel, add action. I'm gonna keep it like that. Trade things. I love the name of this thing. But yeah, most of this thing is not even gonna happen. Yeah, we're just gonna comment it all for now because we haven't done that yet. But we do need this. Where is leave? It is. We don't need this. Okay, on update. Oh yeah, yeah. And this is not an update anymore, it's on process, because that is a Unity thing. And this is not float, this is double, I think. Yeah, on process is a double. And then on exit, we also need this, so tile map, not visible. It's going to be false, we want this to be taken out of it. Game log, add, just keep that. Then we need update actions, which right now doesn't have anything, but we're just gonna keep it as is. What else do we want here? Not a lot, because like a bunch of this is, yeah. Okay. So this should be working as well. Camp is a different beast. Camp is like a whole different thing. But we can do the basics just to make sure everything is working. So let's do that. Right, because we had this whole thing, right? I I think I have to bring this over because I don't think we have that yet. Okay, but let's... Yeah, we don't have camp yet, but we can bring it over. Where is it? Camp. Camp, camp, camp. Gotta look for it. It's not here. Camp. There we go. Okay, it's not that big. It probably has some other stuff that I need to bring over, but that's okay. So let's put this. I don't know exactly where. I'll just put it here. Eventually I'll move this over, but for now this will do. Okay, so. Okay, so let's take this out and this out too. There's a lot of stuff to delete from here. A lot of stuff. Just a lot. That's okay. We're gonna go at it one at a time. Okay. Camp activity. I do believe I have that, but if not, we'll have to bring that over too. So let's just make a folder for camp stuff, camp related stuff. We do want to keep that all. Okay, let's find this activity times thing, and also this shouldn't even be here anymore. Where is it? Activity times. Okay. Okay, get this out. We don't need it. Camp activity, we'll also need that, yes. Oh, this is a scriptable object. Right. We're gonna have to make this a resource later, but for now, we're just gonna keep it as is. Activity type element, we're going to just move it over to its own file. We don't need this anymore, because like this is an actual upgraded .NET /C# thing, so we don't need that anymore. Camp activity, we're going to need that as well. So let's okay, paste that over here. This is not going to be a scriptable object anymore. It's going to be a resource. So resource. And this is from GameDev. Okay. No more of this. No more. No more of that. Ooh, that's a lot of red lines. Take this out. Take this out. What? Ah, yeah, because this has to be partial. Right, I forgot. Okay. This is not a sprite. This is a texture 2D. Right. Camp resource element. So we're gonna have to do that too. Camp resource element. Where is that? Ah, here we go. Camp resource element. Right, so we're gonna keep this. Right. File. So camp resource element. No more of that. go. Because this is a resource element. Where would that go? Yeah, I should probably just bring this all over. Or just, yeah, we're just gonna move this all over to here. Yeah, there we go. Delete this folder. Yeah, okay, here we go. That way everything's nice and snugly in one place. Okay, so camp resource element, which is over here, but it doesn't come up because we need resource element up in this. But resource element is here. What is the matter? Why isn't that? Actually, move this over here. Why are you not recognizing resource element? It's the same thing, right? Namespace, namespace, partial. Oh, this is not partial. That's probably part of the problem. Huh, that is weird. That's okay. Let's just save all. And then we'll see what's up. Okay, camp resource element. We still need that. Camp resource element. Oh no, camp resource element's this. Where are you crying then? What is the matter here? Why could not be found? Oh, is it because... Is it because Godot is like not updating this? Because I'm putting this up from Visual Studio Code. That's probably why. Okay, camp properties. So I will need that too. Camp properties. Where are those? Camp properties. Okay. Camp properties. And I need to give it an actual ending. Oh, this is just gonna be bad. Okay. So this is not gonna be a scriptable option anymore. It's gonna be a resource. Without regions. We don't want regions. We don't want headers either. And camp resource thresholds. Don't need those either. Just put it up there. Don't need this anymore, but we do need Godot. Oops. Resources, Godot thing. Just look up. Yeah, this needs to be partial. This is a resource now. Okay. Now, it's not recognizing camp resource. Oh, okay, I know. It's always the same thing. I always make this mistake. There we go. Hopefully that fixes that. Let me just check that everything's correct. this needs to go. Don't want these here. And neither do we want this. Right. Okay. What is this? Did I even use that? What is this? Okay, let me check over on the other code. What is this? Camp activity? What is this? Oh, it's not even referenced. Then why is this here? I was probably going to implement something, and then it just never happened for some reason. That's okay. Just we can just keep it like that. Right, we don't have character controller. We need to get that back too. It's gonna be a lot of code that I'm gonna have to manage. Let me check here. Right. Right. I remember this. Okay. We're not gonna do that just yet. Or maybe we will, but we need to change a few things. Okay. Let's just do... And like, this is not even a good name for it, but we're just gonna keep the names for now, just so we don't... This is not gonna be a mono behavior anymore. It used to be because of the animation, stuff like that, but we can control all of that from code, so I don't think I'm gonna keep doing that. That's fine. So we're not gonna do any of this. We're just gonna keep references to the things that matter. We're gonna remove this because this is not Unity anymore. Just gonna remove all of this. Okay, game manager, game blog, add. And this needs to be reformatted, but we'll format these later. Yeah, I had a whole thing with this, but we can just comment this for now and then just we'll just get with that later. Okay, there's probably a lot of stuff that I need to change here, but for now, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff we're gonna have to change, but for now, we're gonna keep it just like that. That's okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to just do a few things up in here, but that's fine. Character Because that was imported. Yeah, it's this. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Okay. Yeah, no stuff with animation yet. Eventually I'll get animations back up and running, but for now we're just gonna keep it up like that. Okay. Okay, let's just save everything and see what errors pop up that we need to fix, because there will probably be many. Yeah. Oh, only 6. Okay. Oh yeah, there's this. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna comment these for now, because this is not gonna work out of the box as of yet. So let's just see what happens. This is never a good sign. After all those changes, we don't have anything. Okay, camp is never used, but we will use it because we need this. So we're gonna, oops. Okay, new camp. Then we're gonna initialize our objects, which is just going to be this. Okay, so our camp game object is just going to be a tile map. And this is going to be read-only, because that's fine. And we're just going to just completely rename this to tile map. Okay, just gonna do that. And here we go. I'll do the same thing to this. On enter. So on enter. Here. Set it active and then move it to the thing. That's okay. Okay, let's just comment this. Init UI, what do I have to do here? Right, there are a few things that I need to add to the UI, but we'll do that later. For now, I just want this to work. So no init UI, that's not gonna happen yet. So this is gonna be game manager. Get node, that's it. Tile map. Camp, it is called camp, isn't it? Yes, it is, okay. I will be right back. Give me just 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. All right, let's keep going. Where was I? Yes. Let's do this. So, visible. I want it to be visible now. do want this to be visible. I don't know what this is. I'll have to go and check out the Unity project at some point, because right now I'm just porting over everything I have, but yeah, eventually I'll just have to yeah, I actually had music in the project already. I was setting it up. This is gonna be on process, and this is gonna be a double. Okay, just gonna uncomment all the functions and then go from there. Right. We're gonna need a lot of stuff on this. Init objects just doesn't exist, so we're just gonna. Okay, instead of unit UI, we're just gonna have a thing here. UI. That'll do. Generate camp. That's on enter. Yeah. We're gonna have to do that. But we need a lot of stuff here for the setup. But we'll do that later. Let's go init UI. Right, this was just what I just copied, so we can delete this. Leave camp. Yes. Just do that. And rest. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're gonna need to do this later, because like these messages were based on Unity's setup, and Godot uses BB code, so we're just gonna have to set those up later. We're gonna add math because we need that. Yeah. It's just gonna be procedural random. State, party, resources. Yeah, we're gonna just comment this for now. Yeah, we don't need this, but eventually we'll just get that done with. Let's just do this. Rest hours, rest until morning. That's also a button, I believe. Right, so instead of that, game manager world state, because I had this whole thing where I just put everything in this state, but that doesn't make any sense. I'm just gonna move this get world time. This is on the game world, so let me just get that real quick. World, here it is. So there's this like world time and world day. This doesn't make any sense being here, so we're just gonna move this over to our new world state. Which is I think I lost it. Where is it? World state, there it is. Why is this here? Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're just gonna keep this here. So world day, world time, and then let's just move this over up here. Because I want to yeah, but we can do this. Oh yeah, I was actually doing that. I really should get back to doing that. You know, making the small blocks just for stuff. I really should do that. Yeah. We're just gonna do this. This is way better. There you go. And we're just gonna put this here. There we go. Hey, yeah, I forgot about that. I really should do that in the other classes. Okay, but we're going to just move the clock over to here. So like, game manager, world state, reset, what? Date and time. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna put that there. Let's just generate this method and put it up here. So, yeah, there we go. And then we're just gonna put this up here. And we're gonna have an update world time. And that too. I really should have like I really should put this in a class, maybe, probably. So let's just go to like world date time. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna move all of that over. So world date time, and we're gonna put everything up here. Oh, right, so I need to put this in our namespace. So yeah, go. And we're gonna put everything related to time over there. And first of all, just gonna, world instance, no, world state, I guess. Yeah, I guess that works. World state. Private thing. Read only as well. Okay. Oops. There we go. So world state is going to be state. Pretty much that. Very good. Now we're gonna move that all over. Yeah. So, update world time, update UI world time, reset date and time. Let's get this all out of here and up here. And move this over here as well. Okay, so this is gonna need to implement this. Oh yeah, this world time label thing. Yeah. This needs to yeah. Okay. So we're just going to have private read only. Or oops, no. Date time, and we're just gonna call it a time. It's okay. Actually, this is not gonna be private. This is gonna be public because we want to access it from other places. And we're just gonna put it up here. So new world date time this. Okay. Oh, hi Nines. Hi Nines. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Hope you're enjoying it. Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you around here. Okay, so let's do this world date time thing because we need this label. This label. Right, so here's what we're going to do. Instead of doing this here, right. This is a bit complicated because we need this over on here, but yeah, here it is. So we're just gonna implement this again and just put it over here. Yeah, that's a thing that can happen. Okay, and now we need this hour, minute, world day, right? Because like we need to calculate all of this. So we are going to, right, so here's what we're going to do. We're just going to get readable. Yeah, that's a decent name. Get readable time. Yeah, get readable time, and we're going to just out the hours. Oops, type first. In hours, in minutes. And we're just gonna do this. So hours, I get that. Minutes is gonna get that. And that should be it. Hopefully, possibly. Okay, and then we're gonna use this over on here. So, okay. We're just going to get our game manager, world state and date time, and get readable time. Okay. Int hours, int minutes. I believe I can do it like that. What was it? I think I can do it like that. Yeah, here we go. So now I can do this. Hours and minutes. And the world day is a completely different thing because world day is just the variable. There it is. So that's oops. Yeah, here it is. We can just you know what? No. I'm just gonna do day. There. And I'm just gonna return. We're actually gonna rename this because this was in a really bad place and we need this somewhere else. Okay, and instead of world time, I'm just gonna call this time. And that's that. Okay. We don't have this anymore. Update. We're just gonna update. And that's that. Yeah, should be good enough for now. Yeah, I probably don't need it right now, but I'm gonna keep it just in case. So we just need day. All right, good. So, yes, now there's this. So I need to update, and we're just gonna take this out. There we go. And I think that's it. Is there? Oh, there's something here. What is this? So weird. We need to game manager, world states, and date time and time. And yeah, this is no longer here. Okay, very good. Anything else? Oh, there's one here. Where am I using this? Okay. So, but yeah, this shouldn't even be here. Yeah, okay. So let's just put this over here. So round time. So time is going to be rounded. This needs to be public because I'm going to call it from somewhere else. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I tried to be a little bit chill. Or we try to be a little bit chill around here. But thank you. We just pick this up. Instead of party, we're gonna need date, time, and round. And we do that. Okay, now let's make sure everything's saved, and then we're gonna test it out and, you know, make sure that everything's broken as it should be. Yeah, as what? Oh. Hold up, what was I doing here? Oh, right. Makes sense. So, yeah, this is where it started, actually. So I want to get time. There you go, okay. Ooh, but there's still all of this. Right. Okay. Oh, it's protected, is it? It's just in public. Yeah, this is not just... I set it up, like, really badly. But that's okay. We can make it up later. Later as in... very much later. Okay, game state world. No, we don't actually need any of this. We need to update the world time. We don't need that actually. We just, because that's in a new place now. So let's just, game manager. World state, right? World state, dates and time, and updates. Right, okay. And hopefully that works. And I'm gonna have to comment all of this because, yeah, none of this is ready. Not yet. None of this is even ready. Hopefully it'll work in the future. There's a lot of stuff to uncomment here. Oh god. But bits and pieces at a time. Okay, it's running at least. At least it's running. Let's make camp. Okay, camp's there. Okay, the buttons aren't being set up, but we can get that back on. Just... Right, we need to set these up. Okay. No, actually, what buttons are these? I need to check those later. Okay, that's fine. Let's just... Aha, here we go. Set up actions. That's what I need to... That's what I need to do. Where do I... Here it is. Okay. And we need to put all these back up here. I believe it was these four. Rest daylight. Rest daylight. Here we go. And now this is not UI updater because, you know, me and names. Actions panel, add action. Yes. Just gonna replace all of these and then we're gonna update it. So where is this? Oh, I think I saw it. There it is. There it is. Okay. Right. None of that. None of that. Game manager. State. World state. Date time and time. There we go. And now this visible, because this is not Unity anymore, is going to be this. Okay. Hopefully that, wait, there's still a, oh, right, yeah. And this is not, this is like a, what was it? Deactivate all actions, there it is. Okay. Okay, hopefully that at least lets us do something. Hopefully. Okay, let's see. Make camp. Ah, here we go. Day 1, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 14 hours, 8 hours. Okay. There isn't a rest until daylight though. That one's not triggering. I need to figure out why though. Why that's happening. Oh, let's just figure it out. Why aren't you getting updated? Why indeed? Oh, I think I know why. Because this isn't getting called on process. Pretty much should be that. The UI. Oh wait, but the UI, I shouldn't do that, right? Oh, yeah, it does. Of course it does. Okay, right, we can't get this up and running yet, but we do get update actions, so just get over here. Yeah. Okay. Ah, right. I need to do something else first, which is, let's just go over here. Yeah. I do need on process. I need this delta time to change, but where do I do that? Over here, maybe? Check. No. Process, where's process? Process Ah, here we go. We can just put it up here and then use this to update. And that is that. Hopefully the button gets visible now. Okay. 4 hours, 8 hours. Ah, there we go. There we go. Rest until morning. Should get me up to 6 a.m. Okay, good. Let's see what happens if I rest 1 hour at a time. 6 at 6. Okay, it resets. Good. Okay. Good. That's exactly what I wanted. Very nice. Okay. Let's get back to it. Okay. Right. Need to do all of these things. So much, I don't even know where to go first, but let me just check. Right, there's this whole thing I have here with the UIs and stuff. Yeah, this needs to be updated later. This is okay. Alright, let's check out everything else before we move on to other things. So, here. What are we missing? Right. We need to uncomment this. Yeah, I need the party resources to just be set up. I probably should do that now. So let's just do that now. Yeah, party resource list. Let's just do that. Yeah, okay. Let me just fetch the code over from Unity. Party resource list, where are you? Here we go, party resource list. And we're gonna copy this over. I'm actually gonna put it in Game Manager for now. I don't like to put it here, but we're just gonna put it up here. Okay, party resource list. Where are you? Here we are. You. Oh, you're a thingy. You're a resource. Okay. We will make do. We will make do. I'm actually just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna put it up here. Okay. So none of that. Resource lists. I don't think I've put that up yet. Did I? That's okay. Let's just delete this because we're not gonna need that anymore. But we do need the resource lists, which I don't believe is still here. This is the right. Yeah, I remember this whole naming convention being extremely fallible. Resource list. Let's go fetch that. Resource list. Here we go. Yeah, I haven't ported this over yet, but we will. Oh yeah, I need to rename this before I forget. Oh my god. I need to rename these things, otherwise it's just gonna be a disaster. But that's okay. We can make it happen as we go. So let's just, this is not a thing anymore. Right, because this was an enum. Okay, first things first, let's just rename this before I forget. New name. Oh. Right. what do I need to bring over to make this work? What is this? Ah, okay. Maybe I can convert this to a resource. Maybe. Let's see. What is this? Right. Let's make this. Oh, need to rename this. Put it .cs at the end, otherwise that won't work. Okay. Let's put this in a folder because I want to move this out of here later. Resource enum. I'm gonna put it over here. Yeah. So this is not going to be a scriptable object anymore. This is going to be a resource. And we're going to need the resource enum element, which is over here. Oh, which I have already put somewhere over here. Where was it? Ah, here we go. Okay, let's... Yeah, I remember this. It's this one. But this can't be made with Unity anymore. Let's make a copy of this. Paste over here. Oh no, it's supposed to be here. Yeah. Move it over. Move it over. And this is going to be resource enum element. Right. So let's just rename this. Okay. Okay, let's take this out of here because we are using Godot now. Okay, so this is supposed to be a resource. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, they're both, okay. They're both resources. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh man, this is gonna be a doozy to get working, but hopefully it should be okay. Right, we need to include Godot for this. We actually want to keep that. Oh, okay, so let's just... Okay, I'm gonna keep this, and this, not actually that, it's Godot. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we're just gonna copy this over, put this over here. And take this out. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to put collections generic over here. This needs to be exported. Oh, but I don't think he does exports, does it? I don't think Godot actually allows for export of like lists. It would be very nice, but I don't think it does that, but we'll check. We will check. This needs to be partial. And I think it can't be abstract. Yeah, it can't be abstract. Yeah, okay. So this can't be list. This needs to be like I think it needs to be like a specific Godot list, but I have to check which one. Godot export list. Let's see what it tells me. So I need what kind of, I just need to know what kind of list is done. So, okay. Arrays. What about lists? Can I do lists? Let me check. List. No. Okay, might as well as look for Godot list. Otherwise, I'm not gonna go get an item list. What? Wait, if I put list and take this out, probably. What does it tell me? Doesn't Godot have like a? Let's check Godot. No, it has to be Godot engine, right? Collections? How do I give it a type? That's what I'd like to know. Or is it just a thing and then I convert everything that's in there? That seems really weird. I mean, I guess I'll use it. Is this it? Do I just do this? Why do I even tell it what's in there? Right. Okay, let's comment this. Hopefully this doesn't break everything. What is this? Resource enum element. Wait, what is the problem? Oh, okay. I forgot to save everything. Alright. I am aware. What is this? Okay. This out. This as well. this needs to be partial. Type T resource cannot be used as a type parameter. Really? Isn't it the same? I thought it'd be the same. Okay, I know. Okay, hold on. Yeah, because... Okay. Oh my god. These changes are killing me. Check, because I might have just... just renamed something and then scriptable object in an element. Right. So resource in an element. Okay. Yeah, I think that was the sitch. Hopefully that's it. Did I say that? Did I say that? I think I did. Okay. Let's try building it up again. Okay. I think this is because this, yeah, partial. Okay. This partial thing. Okay. We're gonna comment this because right now those things aren't working, but we'll get to that. We will most certainly get to that. Okay, at least it compiles. All right. Okay, time to get this thing working again. So let's go to the basics. What is happening here? Right, I need this to work. Oh, first things first, actually, before even doing that. Okay, let me just check something. Elements, find... okay. Wait, but this is not... Okay, I need to figure out what this does. I need to look at the... I need to look at this. What does this do? Does it have a find? It has a find. What does it return? Searches the array for a value. Returns its index. Okay. So that's exactly what I want. So fine. Right? It does not have a find. Why not? Oh, wait a minute. Is that the problem? Right, because this is using predicates, but I'm not using that anymore. I'm just using the element itself. I hope I don't regret this. It doesn't find it. Collections, array. Right. Why aren't you finding it? Array does not contain a definition for find. Doesn't it? Am I crazy? Binary search. Is that it? That can't be it. What? Fidel collections array. Unless this thing doesn't allow for what I'm putting on it. And that would be really, really bad. Am I just not using this properly? Why is it not doing that? Hold up. Maybe I am doing something wrong. There must be something going wrong here. Let's actually create... I don't think it's gonna let me, but... Oh, yeah. Let's just do that. What was the name of that? Because it's not even this anymore. I don't think I even need this. Okay, let's make a resource enum element first. Resource enum element. Here we go. Let's rename this. It's not actually adding anything because this, I don't think it does anything at all. It's just, this is supposed to be like an abstract thing to keep everything else contained, but okay, so this is still working, but this is not. Okay, let's, no, not that. Let's quick load. Resource element. There it is. Okay, so that is working. I really wish I had a way to just stop it from creating, because the abstractor is supposed to be, you know, stuff that gets that's the parent. That's not supposed to be like used by anything or anyone, actually. But I do need this. Array does not contain definition for find. What? That is really strange. Okay, let me just check. Unless I'm not using this correctly. Because I haven't used Godot arrays all that much. I really do wish that they'd let us use like C# lists instead, but failing that, okay, let's cut this out. Let me just check, because I want to create a resource and test this out. But before I do that, okay, here we go. Resource list. Okay, there we go. Resource list. Does that work? Oh, only one way to find out. So resource list. Resource list. Let's create a resource list. Resource. Resource list. And we're just gonna quick load. List. Doesn't show anything up, but what if we comment the lines of code that make it, where is it? Oh, it's already commented. Okay. Let's build, see what happens. Nothing? And why isn't it showing up the array? The array is being marked as an export, right? Yeah, it's right there. So why isn't it doing that? Let's make a default resource here somewhere. Okay, let's make a default resource and let's just pick this up, copy this over, new file. So this would be default resource, and put this here. and take this out, because I believe that this is like... This is not agreeing with us. Okay. Does that work? Huh? Let's find out. So this is gonna be default resource. Okay. Okay. It's not there. Why not? Oh, is it because I need to build? Is that it? Okay, there it is. Is that really it? Is that the problem? Okay. So let's just delete all of this. Let's try adding a type to this, T element, and see what happens. Seems to be okay. Let's try that again. F2. Oops. I always make this mistake. Okay. So let's open it up. Default resource. What is happening here? Has already been added. Script manager bridge. What on earth is happening here? Which one is this? Okay, this is 2. And this is the normal one. 2 ain't working. One of these ain't working. didn't save them all, so that's probably why. Okay, something is definitely wrong with this. Okay. Okay. I think Godot is just the crapshoot. Okay. Godot is just not cooperating with me today. Okay, let's try and restart it and see what happens. That's what you get from doing this. Oh, it's gonna be, yeah. That's okay. We can manage. Cause that's a thing. It's gonna look all crappy. Okay, seems to be fine. Okay, let me check. But this one isn't working. So resources can't be typed. Hi, Saris. Yeah, Godot is cool. I'm trying to get my head wrapped around it because, like, I'm coming from like a setup I had on Unity and trying to transfer it over to Godot, but that's not going very well right now. Like, it's been smooth sailing so far, but right now I'm just, yeah, it's just not happening for some reason. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it. I'm trying to move over to Godot because I think it's cool. C#, mainly C#. Because that's what I used over from Unity. I've used C# for a bajillion years. Not a bajillion years, but yeah, I've been using C# for a long, long time, so that's what I'm accustomed to. So that's what I'm using. But it's just not going like I expected. Because like this was supposed to do one thing, but it's doing another. Okay. Oh yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about GDScript. I just never tried it because, like, since I know C# and, you know, Godot thankfully uses C#. I've just always used that. Okay, so if I delete this, will that work? That's what I need to figure out. Because if that is the deal, then I guess I'll just have to do that. Is that your problem? Is that the typing? It is the typing. It is most definitely the typing. Oh no, I'm gonna have to do this another way then. Because I compile this. Wait, it didn't go away. Did I save it? I did. What? Why is it showing now? Or is it because I just... No, it is there. Unless... Okay, I'm very confused. Why is it doing that? What? So now it works, but previously it wasn't working. Okay, let's just add stuff to this. And save. I'm assuming these things get saved too. Hopefully. But it's still here. So it's not the typing? Is that it? I am very confused right now. Yeah, it's still here. Okay, what? No, stop. What is it doing? Okay, so let's just quick load. Default resource 2. Okay, it's still doing it. I'm currently... The best way to describe the game would be like a mix of colony management with like a adventure simulator, kind of like that. So you have your own set of adventurers and you go around the map and you visit cities to trade with them, but you also go on adventures to ruins and other stuff to get artifacts and resources and stuff like that. And then you get them back to base and you upgrade your base. So yeah, it's kind of like that. I'm trying to set this up for the resources that they... Thank you. Hopefully I get it running. I used to have like a prototype running on Unity, but I'm trying to move it over to Godot. See if I can just transfer it over. But yeah, it's not going. Okay, let's take this out and let's save. And now let's quick load again. Okay, I need to figure out what I was doing wrong. So now it's not showing up. So it really is that. But it keeps that info? Even if it changes? Okay. Let's delete this. So now it's normal. Quote unquote. And there it is. There's the thing. But if I add this... Yeah, I just can't do this. I can't type it. I can add types to it. It's gonna crap itself. Is that what's happening? It most definitely is what is happening. But it's still here. That's what's strange. Why are you here? You shouldn't be. So let's do this and add the script again. Okay, so it is the typing. Yeah. Okay, so can't be typed. That's okay. We'll manage. So now, okay, so that puts that theory to rest. So let's delete this. So we can't do it like this. So there's no need for us to do this, but that's okay. We can do this another way, hopefully. Hopefully we can do this another way. Okay, resource enum element isn't even really a thing anymore. So we're gonna make this a resource and that's it. So I think these two are just gonna disappear. I don't see a use for them now. Like I'm gonna have to set this up like completely differently. But that's okay. We can manage. That's perfectly fine. So resource element. And then there's a resource list, which is itself a resource. A Godot resource. Godot resource, which needs a list. So because this is a Godot resource, I need it to be an array like this. So like, let's just... Thank you so much! And thank you so much for the follow. Thank you so much for the follows, y'all. And hi, Samo! Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I will probably need to leave soon anyway. But thank you for stopping by. Let's just make sure that this works, and then I can put stuff in it, and I'll be done for today because I have to take care of other stuff. But I will be back tomorrow, so hopefully I'll be around again. Let's create a resource. Oh gosh, this is so big. Okay, hold on. Yeah, because like apparently Godot does not like the resolution of my screens. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you so mean to me, Godot? I'm trying to be nice to you. Why are you so mean to me? Okay, so resource list. And now, oh, I actually wrote that wrong. Oh yeah, I was completely dyslexic, what? And I am going to resource list, because that's what I was touching on, right? There it is. It is saved, isn't it? Right, it's a resource, it's a thing, okay. It's exporting elements, blah de blah. What is happening? Ah, right, so there, okay. Let's just, that, okay? Okay. Hopefully that's it. Okay, there's the array. Now, I am going to add a thing to this, and hopefully it works. Because it should just take whatever. So a herb is a resource, so let's put a herb in here. Can I do that? I can't. Why not? Oh. Uh-oh. Object? Does that allow me to put this here? It does. Oh, hey. Okay, so I have to set it up to object somehow. Okay. All right. I guess I'll try to figure that out tomorrow because I have to go. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right, but tomorrow we'll fix this for sure, and we'll set this all up so the game is actually running again. All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for sticking by, and thank you for the follows. It was really fun. Hopefully, I'll be on tomorrow. Hopefully, a little earlier than today. But yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for being here, Samo. Thank you so much. Hopefully, I'll catch you next time. And thank you for the follow. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow to fix this once and for all and not have to fumble around with all of this. Gosh. See you all tomorrow, everybody. Bye bye.